Welcome back, everyone. We received 2 more boxes from Milwaukee. We're going to see what they are today. And first I got to remove the shipping labels because not everyone needs to know where I live. Okay. Okay, so we got this little box right here. Now they did say they were going to send me back my N.R.T tool unfixed. And that was supposed to be the first tool I received, but I received my circular saw. So I'm going to see what the situation's about. And as you see right there, that does not look like my tool because it did not come in that box. It looks like they replaced that tool. Okay, so far I think I am gonna get the other one. So far I think I'm starting to like what I'm seeing. Now they did say they were gonna replace the sawzalls from what it seemed. I don't know if they miscommunicated or if they repaired it, but I think, as I thought, they just gave me a brand new sawzall and threw mine away. So as we can see, we got our paperwork right here. As you can see right here, they just sent me 2 new tools. So that was very nice of them. They said they were not going to warranty this little guy because I bought it from an authorized distributor. And I told them, that's bullcrap. And then I remembered I had 2 M12 cutoff tools, and I sent I sent them the proof of purchase because they needed that. I sent it for the other one, which I bought on Amazon. This one I bought at Home Depot, and I sent them one from Home Depot, and they sent me a nice tool. So thanks to them. Very, very happy with Milwaukee now. I gotta send a couple tools to them now. And I gotta call their customer service and get some parts coming for like the little rings on the impacts that hold the socket on. I hope you guys can see that. So I would highly recommend the Milwaukee e-service to anyone. I'll probably just hang this up on here. Yeah, I would highly recommend the Milwaukee e-service to anyone. I've been a Milwaukee customer, I think, 10 years now, and every time I have a tool that misfunctions or a battery or something, I just fill out the form. They pay for the shipping. I ship it to them. They review it, and if it's within the warranty, sometimes they even warranted stuff that wasn't within the warranty. Sometimes they have warranted stuff that I personally think shouldn't have been warranted. Remember I sent them my little impact because I dropped it. I dropped it and it cracked in half, and I've had that happen on a lot of impacts. I don't know, the plastic housing that the impacts and stuff are just not that durable. And I need to send 1 impact to them right now. Getting that ready to get shipped. So they just sent me a brand new tool. So it's a lovely day. It's a beautiful day. When a company backs up their products, it's awesome. Now, I don't know. I think the warranty starts now because these are new tools now. So I think the warranty restarted on these. So from now, this has a 5-year and that has a 2-year. If I remember right, them 12 tools have a 2-year warranty on them. Let's get a little battery and let's see what happens. Yeah, I miss this thing. I use this thing so dang much. You won't believe how much I use my cordless sawzall. Cuts branches and all types of stuff. And then they give you a little, they're brand new tools, so of course they come with everything. Now this little guy I do have, I think it comes with everything. I only sent them the tool. So, I thought Milwaukee was going to leave me hanging and send this tool back unfixed. And it could be unfixed. It could be in a new box, but that's rare. It's very rare. Yeah, that looks like a brand new tool to me. Yeah, yeah. No, that's brand new. There it is. No, they gave me a brand new one, so I'm very happy with the service I received from Milwaukee. They said they weren't going to warranty this tool, but they did. I mean, especially with the high prices of Milwaukee tools, warranty is everything. Now, of course, it comes with some blades. Gonna go ahead and install the metal blade. So now I got a spare one of these, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I might just, because I don't have the tool for it now. See, I'll show you on mine. What happened is I was cutting with it with, where's the blade? Like a blade like that, and the bolt snapped. And somehow I did not get the bolt through my face. And I don't know, that'd get very dangerous real quick. Like I was saying, I'm very happy with the way I was treated in Milwaukee. If you're watching the video, I have been tagging them. I'd love to be sponsored by Milwaukee. I thought they were finally going to... I think the customer service and the techs weren't communicating right, but the techs were like heck. They probably know me because I've sent tons of tools to them before. I think it's the same repair facility, and they were like heck. He's a customer, a long-time customer. He's not asking us to build a rocket ship. He's asking us to warranty a tool, crying out loud. It's that simple. Warranty a tool. And now I got my 2 little tools. I didn't send them this, so I got 2 of them now. But I'm very happy. Very happy. Thought they were gonna leave me hanging there for a second. But nope, they took very good care of me like always. So the next tool I'll be buying is gonna have Milwaukee's name on it. That's what I told them. Like, your warranty is the reason I keep buying your tools. And yeah, sometimes it gets annoying when you really need the tool and you have to keep sending it in when it misfunctions. But who else does that? No one, no tool company I know. I mean, look, crying out loud. My pocket knife's even Milwaukee. My phone charger's even Milwaukee. They should give me a hoodie. So, alright, I'm very happy with the results I received. I got now a brand new Sawzall and a brand new N12 cutoff tool. So, big thumbs up to Milwaukee. I want to thank everyone for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, share this video. And Milwaukee, you're watching this, thanks for backing up your products. Not many companies do that. So, catch you on the next one. It's awesome. It's happy day. Happy day. Thanks.